Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Apple TV remote to control Samsung TV volume. Now the way that I fixed this was that I first hopped into the settings tab right over here. So click on the settings tab, and then from here you want to click on the tab that says remotes and devices. So click on remotes and devices, and then next you want to scroll down to where it says volume control. Okay, and so there's two buttons here that are really important. The first button is volume control. So if you click on volume control, mine had actually accidentally turned off, which means that if it's set to off, the volume button on my Apple TV doesn't control my TV volume, okay? So make sure that this is set to auto or HDMI. Now, once you do that, you want to make sure that the on-screen volume display is set to show. What this does is that if you increase or decrease the volume of your Apple TV, you'll see that there's a bar on the right hand side that indicates whether or not you're increasing or decreasing the volume. So it's like one of two ways though, guys. It might be because maybe your on-screen volume display is set to hide, and so if you click on the volume, you'll see that there's no indicator, but in actuality, it actually is increasing or decreasing the volume. You just have on-screen volume display set to hide. So go ahead and make the show, and then you'll see that the volume now shows that it's increasing or decreasing. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up your Apple TV remote to control your Samsung TV volume. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.